TEKS check correction number 6. Given the equation, 1/5 times the quantity of 3x minus 2 plus 4 is equal to x plus 2.5. What is the value of x? So I'm just going to solve this equation for x, but before I can do anything, I've got to get rid of these parentheses by using the distributive property. So I'm going to rewrite my equation over here to give myself some room. And I'm going to draw my line here so that I can separate the left side from the right side, and then I'm going to distribute. Well, 1/5 times 3x just becomes 3/5 x, because 1 times 3 is 3 over 5 makes the fraction. And then 1/5 times this minus 2 becomes minus 2/5 plus 4 is equal to x plus 2.5. Well, now I've got to combine some like terms. So I can put this minus 2/5 and this plus 4 together, and thankfully my calculator will do those fractions for me. So I have negative 2/5 plus 4. And so that comes out, so I have 3/5 x plus 18/5. And it's okay that I still have fractions because I'm going to clear them here in just a second. Now I've got fractions. I don't want to deal with them, so I want to clear them out. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply everything on both sides by 5 so that I can get rid of these fractions here by doing that. So this side just becomes 3x plus 18 is equal to, and this side becomes, I have to do this, so that's 5x, and then I have to do this, so I have 2.5 times 5, which becomes 12.5. So here's my equation. Get my line back down here. And so I'm going to keep solving using opposite operations. Let's go ahead and combine our variables, the stuff with variables. And I always like to move the small one to the big one so we go baby to mama. So I'm going to get rid of this 3x by subtracting. So I have 18 equals 2x plus 12.5. So now I need to get rid of this 12.5. So I'm going to subtract that from both sides. And so I have 5.5 is equal to 2x, and then I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and when I do that I get that 2.75 is equal to x. So this is my value of x.